everyone, welcome back to another campfire cooking video. Today we'll be preparing my take on Pasta Primavera. Primavera, or season of spring, is a dish that's traditionally created with spring vegetables. You can keep this meal light and vegetarian, or if you want, you can add some of your favorite meats. We're gonna start with chopping some veggies. I've got red onion, zucchini, squash, tomato, and orange pepper. For float trips, I recommend using whole unchopped cherry tomatoes. Pre-chopped tomatoes can tend to get a little slimy on longer float trips. This recipe is extremely flexible. I know that some people like to add peas, corn, asparagus, mushrooms. It's all about the veggies. You really can't go wrong. Once you have your veggies prepped, you can decide if you want to pre-cook your pasta or pack it in a dry bag. If you pre-cook your pasta, you have to have the cooler space for it, but it also makes it a lot easier once you arrive at camp. Cooking pasta at camp takes a lot of water, but it weighs more and takes cooler space to bring pasta already cooked. So if you have the cooler space, go ahead and follow the instructions on your pasta packaging and cook until al dente. Once the pasta is cooked, you'll want to add in a couple tablespoons of oil to keep the pasta from sticking to itself and getting all gummy. I will also add, when choosing what type of pasta to bring, take into consideration how it will pack up for camp. If you bring long spaghetti noodles, they tend to crack into a bajillion pieces. I usually stick with packing either penne, bow tie, or shell pasta. Farfalle? Farfalle? Again, you can use whatever type of meat that you prefer. We're just using the venison sausage today because that's what our freezer is full of. Just make sure that whatever meat you are using, it is already pre-cooked and pre-seasoned, unless you're taking extra precautions to carry uncooked meat with you. The last ingredient in this meal is really what pulls the whole meal together and makes it really simple. Normally I like to use garlic herbed goat cheese, but unfortunately our local store was out and all that remained was regular old cow's cheese. The goat cheese is usually vacuum sealed, which makes storage really easy because you can just add it to your container. If you're curious and would like to learn more about how I plan and prepare for our extended kayaking trips, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'll be sure to share all of my secrets in upcoming future videos. This is one of my favorite meals to cook while kayak camping. I really hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Remember, adventure.